Everybody pay attention to me. Okay. And only me.
Woo! Are you loving that?
Okay. Now, I don't know, how many people are here, do you think?
225.
150? Not more than that. All right. Do we want to play a game? Do you think you people are smart enough and sober enough to group up in tens?
No!
And walk out the driveway to the first display of fireworks in groups of 10?
How about groups of 2?
Everybody's gonna have to count on. All right, anyways, here's what we're going to do. We're going to leave here, and we're going to go up the driveway, past the house. The house is on our left. And we're going to congregate right at the top of the hill, and we're going to start out with a whole bunch of firecrackers. And then we're going to continue down the driveway towards the old house, where we'll do some more stuff on the way there. And then we're going to go through the woods. If you got tennis shoes on, there's going to be a couple of wet spots between here and when we get to the woods you're going to want to avoid. Okay, a couple of puddles. Once we get to the woods, the trails seem pretty good. We're going to walk through the trails for, who knows, half hour, 20 minutes. Come to a bonfire where we're going to stand out in the middle of the field with a pretty good sized bonfire that some of the guys will have to continue to feed with some lumber that's laying around out there. And we're going to watch a bunch of fireworks go off in the field and the finale and all that crap. And then we're going to come back down here. You could be outside for as long as an hour. Some of the junkies over here that have little woodies going, that can't wait till we start it, maybe think it might be an hour and 20 minutes. Okay? So, we're going to stay organized. There's going to be individuals in amongst of you that are going to tell you what to do, and I want everybody to stay grouped together. Don't veer off the trails, because if you go off the trail and we light something, you could be in the middle of it. Okay?
Oh, God.
So everybody group together, walk in nice groups of 4.
Oh my gosh.
Well, that was worth stopping for. Keep moving.
The trail ball.
Well, we're starting another one. Keep moving.
Oh, who's saying you got it? People come around here. There's some guys up front that have little
Drill batteries for 12 volts drillers. Yeah, they're just wondering ahead and they're touching 2 wires.
You mean your other lap? Wrong lap!
We only made it to the truck.